next thing is how to sit. Let me assume the Sukhasana again. So any comfortable meditative asana you have chosen for yourself. So when you're sitting, you have to sit upright. The spine has to be erect, upright. So you need to pull the spine a little more up, shoulders down and relaxed, chest open and relaxed. Your hand could be here, either on the knees or in the lap. Any hand mudra. Again, it is your personal choice. Now, the position of the chin will not be like this. Chin is little down. The reason is like you have to assume the right shape of the spine. And our shape of the spine is what? It is S shape. So there's little curvature like an S shape, So head has to be little down. This is the right ideal pose. But if somebody has a cervical spondylitis, and what do? You ask the person not to have a chin down. In that case only the chin will be little up. Somebody has cervical. Ideally, the chin has to be little down for the meditation. So the spine and the head position. And the hands they are not tensed and tight and straight like this. So arms are not like this. Arms a little bent from the elbows, you bring them closer, place the hands over the knees. Eyes are shut. So this is the right position to sit. The hand position, the head position, the spine position. So when you sit in a cross-legged posture, what happens? Now the energy, which is going downward, Adhomukhi Urja, is locked now. It will move upwards, become Urdhva Mukhi. It starts moving upward, and that becomes a spiritual energy. When it goes down, it is sexual energy. When it goes up, it becomes a spiritual energy. So the body is locked. Now it is easy to attain the pratyahara, attain the state of dharana and dhyana. When you keep the hands here, there is one particular nadis go down from here to Muladhara chakra. And when there is a hand mudra, so the energy remains in a circular direction inside the body. It doesn't get drained out. So that's the significance of putting the hand mudra over the knees and the lap. From behind, if you look at my position, it is like this. So you have to press your back, take it. Many times, even with the effort, you are unable to sit upright. There is no strength in the back. Back may be stiff. What is needed to be done? You need to do a lot of asanas. You need to do a lot of backward bending asanas, Siddhasana, Bhujangasana, Shalabhasana, Dhanurasana, Ustrasana, the cat stretch, the Marjory asana, to loosen up the back and to strengthen the back muscle so that your back remains strong. So these are some preparatory asanas which helps your sitting posture. Even Tadasana is good. Even this reverse double angle is very good posture. So the practice of yogic asanas are very important in keeping your body position upright and erect. This was all about sitting poses, the meditative asanas.